Hey fans, welcome to another week of Burn Nerds Picking Winners with the Kids. My name's James Brett.
My name's Graham Roach.
My name's James Roach. My name's Glenn Roach.
And time for the song. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes?
All right,
Yeah, we like
so
pancakes.
last week we
Do you
all
like
picked the same teams and we wound up going
pretzels?
3
Yeah, we
for
like
5.
pretzels. Do you
So
like-
actually what we should do is break from the pack because there's no way to beat your family if everybody picks the same team.
Let me see how much I have.
3.
How much do I have?
Wait.
The 2 picks we missed were the rather naive pick in retrospect, Eagles-Redskins. Everyone knows that the Redskins are the best team in the league. I don't know why we expected the Eagles to be that team. But the other game that was actually much harder to pick was the Cardinals losing to the Rams. You know, them dang old Rams.
Who did we choose?
We picked the Cardinals and the Rams won.
No, I chose the Rams.
What you got up there, Gwen? Anything juicy?
Yes.
All right. Enough about the past. Let's go to the future. Seahawks Bengals. Seattle
Future.
versus
Seahawks.
Cincinnati. Gwen?
Future.
Seattle or Bengals?
Seattle.
I'm picking Bengals. I'm going off script.
I actually want.
No, can't
Seattle.
change your mind. I'm tired of this nonsense. Everyone copies off of me and then you'll all win because I stink. Washington or Falcons? Redskins, Falcons, racists, dirty birds. Who do you like, Graham?
Falcon.
Gwenny?
Falcon.
I like the Falcons too. Next one, the No-No Saints versus the Philadelphia Eagles, the champions of the Phony
Saints.
Club. Gwen?
Bengals. I mean the other one that's not.
Saints or Eagles? Any team but the
Saints.
Eagles is what Gwen picks. I pick the Saints. You know why I picked the Saints, Graham?
Why?
Because-
Because your Eagles are in the Phony Club.
Well, the Eagles are the presidents of the Phony Club, and they are the presidents of the Phony Club because of the obstinance of their coach, who refuses to give up on that stupid hurry-up offense. that
Hey,
keeps
don't
the
cover
defense
my
on the
face
field.
with the box. I can't see my face.
Browns, Ravens!
Wait, what?
Browns, Ravens!
Skip my turn. Skip my turn. I'll go last.
I picked the Ravens. Graham copies off
Wait,
me and picks the...
Oh, I'd say.
Hey, don't cover my face
What's
with
it
the
again?
box.
I know Ravens.
Browns, Ravens. Cleveburg Browns versus the
I'd say Ravens.
Drexel Hill Ravens.
Ravens!
Ravens across the board. Last one, easy pick. Cardinals, Lions. Arizona versus Detroit. Racists in the Southwest versus dingbats. Zero property value in the Great Lakes.
Lions. Who?
Lions, Cardinals.
Oh. Cardinals? Oh. I'd say Lions.
Gwen?
Cover to cover. Whatever.
Don't always choose the bird teams.
I picked the Cardinals too. All right, let's run through the picks.
Cardinals.
Boogity 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 boo.
Cardinals.
Boogity 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 boo. All right,
Cardinals.
Gwen, what happened funny to you today? Today I had dinner with a guy and he was describing how people in Japan eat live frog hearts. And then when I told him that was so gross I would throw up, then I went to the bathroom and he showed the other people a movie of it when I was in the bathroom. Would you eat a beating frog heart, Graham?
No.
Gwen?
No.
Me neither. 3 roaches, pick no beating
Did
frog
that really
hearts.
happen?
It's on YouTube. Peace out.
Can we see it?
Peace out.
Can we
Gwen?
see it?